So in this video, I'm going to show how to remove the hatch pattern from panels just for the 3D view. And this is kind of based off a suggestion of James where he thought it can sometimes look overwhelming with if you have a lot of panels with all the hatch patterns when you're looking at it in 3D. So to use this method, the first thing is you need to have your 3D view set on some sort of view template. It won't work unless you have a view template. So I'll show you how to modify it on this 3D view template. So if we open it and then go to VG Overrides Model, click Edit. So under Model Categories, basically we need to find all the things that could potentially be, that panel thing that's showing the hatch pattern. So one place where the panel comes in is under curtain panels when you have glazed in panels. And this is a little bit more complicated to adjust because if you override it for the curtain panels for glazed in panels, it's also going to change the hatching for spandrel, but I'll show you guys anyways. So if we select curtain panels and go to Patterns Override, and then all we need to do is uncheck this box that says Visible. Okay? And then we'll come down and find the generic models so that the other panels that we have modeled will change too. So select Generic Models, and then Patterns Override, uncheck. Okay? Okay? Okay, so if we wait a second, and now you can see that that hatching is all gone and our panels now are just this uniform color.